How can I assign the fee structure for the new classes added in the middle of the session on SchoolPad?
Thank you for your query, Nikita ma'am. I will show you how you can do this. Log in to your SchoolPad account, and from the menu option look up search for Assign Fee Head Values. From the associated options under the Assign Fee Head Values, select Copy Fee Structure from Class. Now select the class from which you want to copy the fee structure. Then select the class to which you want to copy the fee structure to. This list will only show the classes that have not yet been assigned a fee structure. Click on the Save button. You have successfully assigned the fee head values to the new class that was added in the middle of the session.